Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Amir Firdaus bin Wan Muhammad Faizul. My matric number is VA23015. I am student from Bachelor of Technology Maintenance Facility Oil and Gas. So for this subject, I have go to the industrial visit at Utilities Kertih at Terengganu. So let's move to the next slide. Sorry. Okay, here is my table of content. Okay, so I am very excited to share with Sir and my classmate about the insight and my experience that I gained during our recent site visit to the PGB Utilities Kertih. This visit was not only an educational opportunity, but also a glimpse into the dynamic and critical operation of a leading player in the oil and gas industry. So about the PGB utility security is a Petronas Gas Berhad (PGB), a subsidiary of Petroleum National Berhad. Uh, it is a gas infrastructure and utility company. It processes, transport, and regasifies natural gas and liquid natural gas (LNG). It also offers electricity, industrial gases, and steam to industrial customer. The vision is to leading a leading gas infrastructure and utilities sector, and the mission is to business entity and the operate to operate safely, reliably, and competitively. So we move to the other slide. Okay, let's move to the activities. For the activities, 7 a.m. We depart taking a bus UMP. On the way at the PGB UK, we take a breakfast at the restaurant beside the road. After that, we arrive at the PGB UK at 10:30. After that, uh, for the content, we get to know about the staff introductory session. After that, we get the safety briefing and see some of video for the safety at the plant. After that, we get to listen about talk and presentation session. It's about equipment that use at the plant. For example, the boiler and turbine. And other than that, instrumentation equipment. After that, for the last session, we get to see a demonstrate and overview operation control valve. For 2 p.m., we go to visit ROC, remote operation control. It's like control room, and we get to know about the process control system section that have at there. Last, for the visit industrial, we get a lunch and we have a closing ceremony. After that, At the 4 o'clock, we disperse and going back to the UMPSA. That's all. So let's move to the other slide. Okay, for the learning outcome, I have learned about steam turbine and boiler. Uh, the boiler is generate steam and then can be used as a heater, power generation, and industrial process. For the steam turbine, is a mechanical device that converts the thermal energy of steam into mechanical energy, which can then be used to generate electricity or perform other mechanical tasks. Okay, so for the control valve, I learned the operation valve have normally open and normally close. Uh, for plus the it have air fell lock in the same position. Control valve is used to regulate the flow pressure or the temperature of fluid, example liquid, gas, or steam. Within a system, it achieves this by varying the size of the flow passage, often in response to a signal from a controller. For this slide, it shows the working principle of the control valve. The opening and closing of control valve is usually done automatically by electrical, hydraulic, or pneumatic actuator. Positioner are used to control the opening or closing of the actuator based on electric or pneumatic signals. Uh, for your information, this control for for the control signals traditionally based on 3 to 15 psi, uh, or more common now are use 4 to 20 milliampere signal for industry. Okay, for the last slides, for this last my presentation, it will be challenges and stagnation. For the challenge is background student. Some of my friends are very new to the instrumentation, so they're not familiar with transmitter and DCS, distributed control system. Maybe we can know about this deeply if we study more about instrumentation. Next, for the understanding, to understood to understand to understand, student need a time to understand, and we need to explore more about this. Last but not least is visit. Maybe some of my friends not uh, interested for the ROC place because they are they are maybe like more about turbine or boiler. So if we can go to see other than ROC, maybe it will be more interesting. That's all from me. Thank you very much.